Hello guys, most of them get answer 8 for this problem in this way. 6 plus 6, it is 12 times this 6 divided by 3 square is 9. Now 12 times 6 is 72 divided by 9. This is 8. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS. Here, this is for bracket. This is for multiplications, division, addition and subtraction. Now, this is equal priority, multiplication, division. Also, this addition, subtractions are equal priority. For this, we have to follow this left to right order in the problem. Now, we are going to do this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Now we have to do this as per the order of operations. Bracket first. In this bracket we have addition and multiplications. Here we have to do this multiplication first. So 6 plus 6 times 6 is 36 divided by 3 square. Now bracket is first, so 6 plus 36 is 42 divided by 3 power 2. Now this is first because next priority is 3 power 2. So 42 divided by 3 power 2 is 9. 42 by 9. Now do simplify this. We'll get here 3, here it is 14. So 14 by 3 is the answer. Now 14 by 3.